Hello America! I started this video without turning on the microphones, so kind of putting a new intro into it. Today I have a little helper. Show your face. My granddaughter Addison.
Jeez.
I'm making chicken pot pies. I'm doing a cooking challenge with some friends of mine, and this is going to be mine. So I'm solo besides Addison, and so I'm right now cooking the chicken breast. I'm going to cook it to 165. I think that's what it is. I'll have to double check. 165, and get it to a point where I can shred it. And I'm making the challenge is meat pies, but we're going to do whatever your take on a meat pie is. So I'm going to do a chicken pot pie meat pie. So I'm cooking the chicken first. I'm going to make the dough. I never made a pie dough before, so it's going to be an experience, but I'm going to do it. Doing it for you, America. I'm doing it all for you and Addison, even though she won't eat it.
And Mexico, and Asia, and Africa,
and
Europe,
Ireland,
Italy,
England,
France,
Sweden.
Swiss one.
Hey, I'm going to flip this again. I've already flipped this a couple times. I want to get a nice color on it.
I'm smelling the chicken.
Okay, we're at 163. So it's going to finish cooking by itself, so I'm going to go ahead and take it off. Oh, and I said that and it jumped up to 165. Get these bad boys off. Okay, I got to get my second step. I'm going to take this off for a moment. Not to burn anything, but I'm leaving all that drippings and everything in there because that's a flavor. What they call it? A flavor bomb. It's a flavor bomb.
Very
Flavor.
majestic.
Alright, we got the chicken off. Did I show the chicken?
No, you have not showed the chicken. The beautiful chicken. The flies won't stop swarming it.
Yeah. Here's those. Ooh, we gotta get that breast juice in there. Look at that. Yes. Alright, right there. That's some good looking chicken breast.
Is that camera on too?
Yeah.
Shit.
We're gonna edit it out.
Better edit me out.
That was my daughter Amber, who's not going to be edited out.
No.
She thinks she is, but she's not.
No, definitely not.
Okay, I'm going to add 2 more tablespoons of butter. Okay, I got a cup of carrots, a cup of onion, white onion.
But
and
it's all in a cup.
It's all in a cup, yes.
3 cups in a cup.
And then I have like 1.5 celery sticks all chopped up in here. Probably should have done those a little smaller, but that's fine. There we go.
No.
Okay, we're going to let that soften up. Then we're going to add some seasonings to it. Back of her head right now is on camera. We're filming.
Really?
There, the Crystal's face is on camera. Okay, we're going to add some salt and pepper. And then we're going to add some thyme, some thyme leaves.
Well, you have that natural beauty and you're so young.
You got natural beauty too.
Yes. Natural beauty.
No.
Yes.
I am the big 3-0.
3.
And you look like you're the big 03, so.
That's true. I did get only a number 3 balloon, so I disagree.
I thought that was for your IQ.
So while he is going to get the flour, I am going to waste this camera's battery.
Okay, so I need 3 tablespoons of flour. I'm using rice flour so that my wife can eat some of this stuff.
Oh, and hey, I turned back here, so he actually looks at the camera.
Hello, camera. 1, 2, 3. I'm like the Count from Sesame Street. A 1, a 2. Okay.
I
We're gonna stir that all in. Get us a nice roux going. And it's starting to drizzle, so if it starts raining on us, we're gonna have to run in. But I'm hoping to pull, because it's not really supposed to a high chance of rain.
It's raining a little harder. Oh, I think we should get inside.
I think we're about to go inside. Okay, here we go. We got a cup and 1 1/4 cups of stock. Stir that in.
Weird animal noise. That's like a bleep.
Look at that, thick enough.
She's like, but I want to get up there with you.
Oh,
Oh, Richard.
We
I
got-
gotta edit that out too.
we have gravy runoff.
Dumb butt.
Add a little more, it's too thick.
Okay.
That's looking good. That's what we want. I did 2 chicken breasts, and I used a cup of frozen peas. We're going to put this on simmer. Let it all meld together. And then we're going to get to making us some dough. Okay, I put 2 cups of flour in here. I got 1/4 a cup of baking powder. Baking powder. And I need a 1/2 of salt. Okay, we're just going to hit pulse 3 times on this. Just pulse it, get it mixed together. 1, 2, 3. Alright, we have 1 1/2 sticks of unsalted butter, and we have 4 ounces of cold cream cheese. We're gonna pulse this bad boy until it looks good. Power still on.
Hey, Richard. They can tell that you eat your food too from this angle.
Getting very dough-like. I'm gonna add some apple cider vinegar and some water real quick. Okay, here we go. We're gonna add a tablespoon of cold water. I have water on ice. Water with ice. Put that in there. I'm gonna put a little bit more. And then I need a teaspoon of vinegar.
Are you telling 12-year-old? You got one.
Alright, my assistant, my daughter Crystal, is going to roll the pie dough because she doesn't trust me.
Well, do you have a rolling pin?
And I have a roll pin. You need to move so I don't smack you in the side.
How many of these are you making?
2. You divide that into 2 parts, and then you beat them down to a little cylinder shape. Disc shape. And then put them in the fridge for a half hour. We're going to talk her and my other daughter into doing videos of them cooking cookies, baking cookies, sorry.
Cooking cookies, you could say that too if you want to. But yeah, more it's baking.
On a plate
Oh,
and in the fridge. Alright, we're back in a half hour.
so you're supposed to put these. Is this gonna make one, or or am I gonna put this one on top of this one?
No, it's gonna make one. Each one's gonna make one. So
Okay, so we need to do the
that's
filling
what
now.
it's supposed to do.
I mean, like that much? Or,
Yeah, no, that's fine. Yeah.
And then,
With a pack of forks, which we don't have any forks. No, I got a plastic fork.
no, they're clean.
For some reason our clock was wrong and I was thinking it was like 5 o'clock and it was 8 o'clock. So these are taking a lot longer than I thought. We're gonna bake them. We're gonna bake them for 20 minutes at 400. See you soon. It's they're looking good. Running. I got it. Next time I do this, the dough just gotta be thicker. I followed the recipe, but it didn't seem to work out so well. Anyway, we need to do some tasting. Kristen, you want to taste first?
I'll taste after you're done
She's
recording.
tasting.
Yeah.
It is extremely hot, but amazing.
I'll take it.
All right.
It's beautiful. It's amazing. I love the crust.